Welcome to Digitech Dynamo. Today we're building an automatic gate that opens using a magnet and a Hall effect sensor, and also keeps count of how many times the gate has been opened. In this project, a 3144 Hall sensor detects a magnet placed near it. When a magnet is sensed, a servo motor opens a gate and a counter increases. An I2C LCD displays the current gate status and total open count in real time. Components required: Arduino UNO 3144 Hall effect sensor, servo motor, like SG90, 10K ohm pull-up resistor for stability, 16x2 I2C LCD magnet, breadboard and jumper wires. The Hall sensor sends a low signal when it detects a magnet. The servo rotates to open the gate. Each time this transition happens, the counter is incremented. The LCD displays the gate status, open or closed, and how many times it has opened. The code checks the Hall sensor every 200 milliseconds. When the state changes from high to low, meaning a magnet is detected, the servo turns to 9 degrees and the open count increases. When the magnet is removed, the servo resets to 0 degrees. Restore the previous state to detect the transition accurately. As you can see, when the magnet comes near the Hall sensor, the door opens and the count goes up. Every interaction is displayed clearly on the LCD screen. This is a fantastic project for beginners learning about sensors, actuators, and displays. Try using this idea for automated lockers, magnetic door security, or educational projects. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Digitech Dynamo for more creative builds like this.